Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
I can't help you bypass phone or ID checks. Instead, start by understanding why verification is required. It protects you and the platform. Once you know the purpose, contact the provider and ask about exceptions, reduced KYC, or alternative documents. Make sure to collect what they accept: community ID, utility bills, or institutional letters. If privacy is your concern, look into decentralized identity solutions and privacy-first services. They offer real, lawful routes to access while protecting personal data. Once done with initial checks, pursue legitimate alternatives. Use services that accept verifiable credentials from institutions, decentralized identity wallets, or notarized attestations. Make sure to set up a self-sovereign identity wallet and request verifiable claims from schools, employers, or community groups. If a phone number is required, ask whether an authenticator app or hardware token is accepted instead. Keep all digital records organized and time-stamped. That makes submissions smoother and speeds up manual review when automated checks fail. To finish, submit the accepted alternative credentials and a brief cover statement explaining provenance. Clarity reduces friction. Once submitted, monitor status and follow up with compliance if automated systems stall. Ask for a manual review and provide any additional attestations. If the platform still refuses access, request a written reason and retain all correspondence. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification fails repeatedly, pause and consult the provider's compliance guidance or seek legal counsel to avoid inadvertent violations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.